on the Instagram or the Instacam. I keep saying Instagram. That's gonna get old.
Feels like it's almost every single time we're putting it in, it's like I'm angled down when it needs to be angled up.
Cameraman, hop to.
$120. 125. Looks like a spacer.
Let me see. Where was it?
Well, I heard something fall from the shroud. Could have been a washer, because these do just screw right back in. Granted, they feel a little harder. No, that should be good. What's up with this one? Should be able to. Oh.
In today's installment of How We Roll Auto, we had the Burger Brother here. We had Humpty Dumpty here, and then me, C-Plo, of course. And we worked on the C10. Lots of fun, a little bit accomplished, still some unknowns, some good news, some not so good news, but we'll work through it. Don't worry about us. Keep watching.
Oh, now you can see what I see. You basically control me. Bueno. Bueno. Oh, shit! Oh. Where did the tank at?
You already passed it. It's right under the carburetor.
Oh, shit. Hand me a equivalent to like a 15. What are you laughing at?
Your little tuner, guys. With your cute little metric stuff. Take that radiator hose off. Radiator hose.
The radiator.
The radiator hose. Good. Wow. She's on there.
She on there?
She's on there. Yeah, I just need one. Ooh, ooh.
take a sip. It's good for your immune system.
Oh, why can't I smell it down here?
Because it's full of brown dookie doo. Oh, the doggo.
Oh, now I really smell it. Oof.
It's just coolant.
I smelled something else for a second. I hope to God that ain't me. Fuck. I ain't sweating that hard yet.
I've outsmarted myself. I've outstumped myself. If anything's gonna stink, it's gonna be that gas. For sure. For sure. Well, I can't see it. I can only feel it.
Feel it, feel it.
Yeah. Used to be that was good enough. Not anymore. I gotta see it, feel it.
Let me actually look under another of the gas tanks out.
Yeah, they thread right into
To the bottom.
nuts that are welded to the floor. So you just take the top right out. I mean,
So only the nuts are on the bottom, but then you take the bolt out through the top?
no, they just bolt straight through the floor.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See 'em?
I can't see him under the seat there, so he might be in through the
Lord.
through the pans. There's a back one through the top.
Yeah, I can see the back one. Let's try 9/16 on that.
As I was saying, if you get a 70-year-old lady, I need a sugar mama. I need money. My wife will take it.
Do your own sugar, Dad? Oh, we gotta find that torque head setting. See it? That torque head one?
I got it.
Yeah, here, grab it.
Yeah, sure enough. Torque's a bit.
Where's the old love handle? How many cameras you want the man to have?
Right. Hold on. I'm just looking at it. There's the two Torx bits right there. Is this wiring for a subwoofer?
Yeah, I think so.
Jesus. Yep.
This little guy? Yeah. Oh, hey there, little guy. I can't break over my radar either.
Come on, man.
What do you always say?
Give her the beans. Still nothing.
What about those little small Chevy hand guys you were talking about?
Oh yeah, let me do a Chevy guy this time.
Come on, man. Come on.
You're gonna have to give it another Chevy guy scream. I don't know if I got that in there. Holy shit.
They work.
Do you need Daddy to help you get it loose?
Who the hell? Where's the other ratchet? This one's hurt my hand.
You had it. Come on, you're a big boy now.
You need the burger brother to give it the old baconator or what?
For real.
I just gotta keep giving it Chevy screams.
Is it heavy?
No, it's pretty light.
Well, that's a good sign because it's gonna come up this way. You wanna hold this and I'll do it because you got your foot.
It don't matter.
Watch it. tanks out of the C10. They actually look pretty good inside. I'm going to show you guys. It needs to be rinsed out and washed out. For being not horrible for being 10 to 12-year-old gas. I don't know if you can see that or not. Still got a little gas in there, but not horrible. I'll take that. Take that any day of the week. We got the seat out. These guys have been, as they would say, giving it the beans on the interior.
Yeah.
Carpet's coming out. About to get hentavirus. Don't breathe that in, man. That's nasty stuff. How we roll auto. Radiator is out. Carburetor's off. Fuel tank's disconnected. Compression has been tested. All is good there. Inspected the valve train. There isn't much oil getting up to the top of the motor, so that concerns me. New plugs are in. Plug wires are hooked back up.